Hey guys, welcome back to Influxx channel. So today in this tutorial video, we're going to show how to download Influxx. So first you go to the website influxx.app, and in the top right corner, you click on the button download Influxx. So for now, Influxx is available on Windows 10 only. We're going to expand further on other platforms. So let's click the button and let's wait for it to be downloaded. Okay, so once you have the zip file downloaded called Influxx installer, so put it on your desktop and then you right click and click extract here. Okay, so then you have your Influxx installer .exe file. Double click and click install. Now you can launch Influxx, and that's it. Okay, so now you have an interface asking you for your license key. So to get a license key, you go on influxx.app and you choose one of our plan. So once you've chosen your plan, you will be given a license number per email. Okay, once you have your license number, you copy and paste and click validate. Okay, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, it will help the channel grow, and see you for the next video.